what I wanted inputs on was I would have skills based on those measurement of cuts. I would have skills, best project appraisal, right? So, agar if in this there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cuts in total. So I would use 1, 2, 3 for the best project appraisal. जो भी उसके CV या appraisal form में है best project के लिए 1, 2, 3 for the position that he or she is holding, and 1, 2, 3 for the psychological behavior. That's how they evaluate in companies. And this cut would be the most perfect cut that I will make before I start working on the other cuts. If you see, is this better? ये better है, वो better है, मुझे मालूम नहीं. So
दोनों ठीक है.
Okay. So this is the cut. This we've identified as the cut we will make to standardize the whole project. Because when the camera is put here, if the wood is in a different position or the camera lies in a different position, then the cuts would vary. अगर perspective आ गया तो वो लंबा दिखना शुरू हो जाता है. So one cut I would make as the most perfect cut, and all the other cuts he would measure based on this cut. So one perfect cut, 3 for psychological behavior, 3 for the position, future evaluation किस position में जाएगा based on that, and 3 for the best skill, best project appraisal. So that's how it has come out. Now, based on this, I told him this is the these are the if these are the inputs that we are getting for the AI program, what do we want from the project, from the AI project? So I would want to get to the best. I get the appraisal of all the other projects based on the best project appraisal. एक जो बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट हमने अप्रेज किया इन 3 कट्स में, उसके बेसिस पे सब प्रोजेक्ट का अप्रेजल हो जाएगा. That's what I want to get to. I also want to permutate for other candidates. For example, sample data measurement same आ रही है, psychological behavior same है, everything is the same. Then you stop it there and you say this is the skill of the person, or this is the position that he can go for in the future.